This is for this is quantity demanded T. So price of sugar and demand for price of tea, demand for sugar. Actually. Just a second. Two things. Price of identify price and quantity. Just a second, friends. Price is sugar, 50, then rice and just a second, friends. I'm just looking at example. Price is 30. Price of tea is 30. Demand is 5 kg. Quantity is 5 kg. Tea and the price of coffee rises to 25. Then price of sugar 50 kg. Price of 1 kg is sugar price is 50. Price and quantity. Price is 50, quantity is 10. Then price equals to 30. Is the quantity demanded 50%, 30%. Then P price 30 to 25. Consumption sugar rises to 12 kg. Confusion. Price of tea. Actually, sugar price is 50 rupees. Quantity 10 kg. Then tea price is 25. So, this is there. And it goes down. So here 25 rupees and here 12 kg. This remains. This is not given. Not given. Here this is not given. Okay, friends. I'm sorry. There were two products, two prices, two quantity. So got little confused to write it properly. Now here you see sugar and tea. Sugar and tea. So these two are complementary goods. Complementary goods. So in complementary goods, what is the thing? Inverse relationship. Inverse relationship. So here you see sugar, when price was 50 rupees, demand was 10 kg. When price was 50 rupees, demand was 10 kg. And price of tea is 30. They have not given quantity demanded of tea. Quantity demanded of tea because we are studying about complementary goods. Increasing price of one will reduce demand for the other. Decreasing price of one will reduce, decreasing price of one product will increase demand for the other product. Change in price of one will increase demand for the other. Okay, so here we are studying about change in price of tea, not quantity. Quantity is not given in question. Change in price of tea is affecting change in demand of sugar. Price of tea falls, and demand for this increases. The price falls by rupees 5. And here you see the demand increases. Quantity Q increases by 2 kg. Q increases by 2 kg. So now cross elasticity. What formula will apply? Percentage change in quantity of sugar divided by percentage change in price of tea. So percentage change in quantity, we saw that change in quantity of sugar is 2. We'll write here only. So change in quantity is 2 kg. We'll write 2. Change in price is 5. So percentage, this is not given in percentage. 2 kg and rupees 5 is not given in percentage. So how do we find percentage change in quantity? First, we have to find percentage change in quantity. How do we find that? That is original quantity, change in quantity divided by original quantity into 100. Change divided by 12. Just a second. No, sir. Percentage change in quantity. Yeah, can you all hear me? Change in quantity divided by change in quantity divided by original quantity 2 by 10 into 100. You get 20%. Yeah. Change in quantity divided by quantity into 100. Okay. That is percentage change in quantity. So change in quantity is 2. Change original quantity is 10 into 100. So we will get 20%. We will get 20%. Similarly, change in price. Change in price. So change in price divided by original price into 100. So change in price is 5. Original price is 30 into 100. So 5 divided by 30 into 100 is 16.67. 16.67. Okay. Can you all now, are you all able to unmute? Hello? Are you all able to unmute? No. Okay. Did you understand? Did you understand so far? Till here, did you understand? Okay, fine. So now we have got percentage change in price 20%, percentage change in quantity 20%, percentage change in price 16.67%. So now we'll apply formula. We'll apply formula. The same formula, that is percentage change in quantity, that is 20% divided by percentage change in price, that is 16.67%. So 20 by 100 will be 0 to, and 16 by 67 200 it will be 0.1667. So if we do that, 0.2 divided by 0.1667, then we get 1.19, or we can make 1.20. We can make it as 1.20. So it is more than 1. It is more than 1. So we write it is greater than 1. It is greater than 1. Yeah, see, even in textbook, it is the same answer. They have applied different formula. But they have got same answer, 1.2. Okay? Clear? Everyone, cross elasticity for complementary goods clear? Everyone just send the message now on chat. Okay. Darshan? Ikra, Kirtana, Aishwarya, everyone clear? Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. So now the next part is see, students, we had discussed last time demand forecasting. Yeah, Arjun, tell me, Arjun. Arjun, tell me, what is your doubt? Arjun, just type and say now, what is your doubt? Because I have not started this meeting. It is done from head office, so I'm not able to unmute you all. Arjun, tell me what's your doubt, Arjun? Is it okay?
Sir, hello sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, give another one example. Sir.
Okay, one more example.
Oh.
Are you all able to unmute? Only Darshan is able to speak. Lalit?
Yes, sir. Now we can unmute.
Okay. Fine. Okay. One more example.
बैंक को चले गए थे नहीं तो छिलेगा भी कुछ बना सकती है बैंक को जाको कल गांव से ले लगे सकती है बैंक को कैसे लगा ना हाँ दर्दला को छली ले लगे कब रख रही कड़ी बनी है आपको गोल भी छली बनी तो अब तक बैंक
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, students. Here we have two products. That is substitute goods. Here they have given tea and coffee. Now we have already done one example, tea and sugar. So we'll change that product. We'll take 7-Up and Sprite or Pepsi and Coke. So product Pepsi and Coke. So when price is 30, yes, then price and quantity. Here also price and quantity. So the price of this is 30, then 5 kg. The price falls from 25 to 25. 25 to 35. So quantity. Now see students, again Pepsi and Coke are what? Substitute goods. Pepsi and Coke, they are substitute goods. So substitute goods, what will happen? Here you see they are not given. Now price of Coke. Price of Coke was 25 rupees and it increases to 35 rupees. Okay. Here quantity for Coke is not given because they want to show how increasing price of one product. Yeah. Students, just try to unmute now. Students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. See friends, every time we have a problem on cross elasticity of demand, we have to see if the two products given in question are complementary goods or substitute goods. The two products given in question are complementary goods or substitute goods. Okay. So in case of complementary and substitute goods, question will be like price of one will change, demand for other will change. You don't expect for substitute goods and complementary goods, you don't expect that here also change in price and quantity, here also change in price and quantity. That is for normal goods or the main product. That is why here there is some change in price, but not in quantity. And here there is some change in quantity, but not in price. So what is happening? Here price of Coke increases from 25 to 35. So change in price of this is 10 rupees. 10 rupees. And here the change in quantity demanded 5 to 8. Quantity increases from 5 to 8. So change in quantity is 3. Change in quantity is 3. Now what it is? Substitute goods. So what we learn in substitute goods? Pepsi and Coke. In case of substitute goods, what happens? That price of this will increase, so demand quantity of this will increase. Price of this will decrease, the quantity of this will decrease. In case of substitute goods, that only. That is the same thing showing here. Price increases from 25 to 35. Price of Coke increases. So demand for Pepsi increases. Now we will find out elasticity of demand. So elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in price, percentage change in quantity of which one? Of Pepsi. Divided by percentage change in price of which one? Coke. Okay. Now here we are getting in numbers, not in percentage. First, when we did income elasticity, most of the problems were given in percentage. Change in quantity in percentage, change in income in percentage. But here we are getting it in numbers. So we have to find the percentage change for quantity and price. How to find? So percentage change in quantity is equal to change in quantity divided by original quantity into 100. Because when we multiply with 100, we'll get percentage, we'll get rate. So change in quantity is from 5 to 8. So change in quantity is 3. So 3. Then divided by original quantity. So original quantity is 5. So 5 into 100. Now we will get percentage. So 3 by 5 into 100. It is 60%. It is 60%. Now same way we do for changing percentage change in price. Percentage change in price. Price. So change in price divided by original price into 100. So change in price is from 25 to 35. Change in price is 10 rupees. 10 rupees divided by original price, that is 25 rupees into 100. So 10 divided by 25 into 100. We are getting 40%. We are getting 40%. Okay. Change in quantity is 60%. Change in price is 40%. So now change in quantity. Change in quantity, that is 60%. Change in price, that is 40%. So we change in number. So 60%, that is 60 by 100. It is 0.6. Then 40%, that is 40 by 100. It is 0.4. So 0.6 divided by 0.4 is 1.5. So as your demand is 1.5, that is more than 1. So what we will write? ED is greater than 1. Clear, students? Clear, students?
Okay, sir.
Clear now? Complementary goods and substitute goods both are clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now the next question that you all had asked is a demand forecasting and demand distinction. So that we had done, no? Do you all want me to repeat? Demand forecasting and demand distinction we had done that day, right? No need to repeat now. Demand forecasting and demand distinction. We had discussed about demand forecasting and demand distinction. That is clear, right, students? Demand forecasting, demand distinction. Hello, everyone. Please say if demand forecasting and demand distinction is clear or not clear. Bharat, Darshan, Arjun. Impana, Aishwarya, Shreya, Kirtana, everyone. Demand forecasting and demand distinction. All clear now? Yeah, arc elasticity. I have written that even last time. I actually went through, but I couldn't simplify it. I thought of teaching you all. but I have to make it simple for you all. Arc elasticity is a geometric method of calculating elasticity of demand. Geometric method, because we draw this arc and all in geometry. So what we have learned, the price elasticity of demand and income elasticity and cross value, these three are percentage method. These three come under percentage method. Okay, because every time percentage change in quantity, percentage change in price, percentage change in quantity, percentage change in income, percentage change in quantity, percentage change in price of other product. So here percentage. This is percentage method, where we show elasticity of demand in terms of percentage. Using percentage, we show elasticity of demand, change in demand. Then another method is total outlay method. Total outlay method. And then geometric method. So under geometric method, we are using arc elasticity. Okay. So I read it, I understood it, but like I could not understand so well that I can make it simple for you all. So again, I just saw the material that you all are referring, because what I thought, if I teach from the same material, that point, you can all refer it, so it will be easy. See, now whatever example I thought on income and cross elasticity from the same material. So later you can check it. Okay. But arc elasticity from this material, it is not clear. It is not clear. Okay. And in this material, which I mostly refer for your class, in this, the topic is not there. So I need to see some other source to make it easy, to make it simple. So arc elasticity I will do later. Now, graph related questions. So that graph I can send you all and discuss. Okay. Demand forecasting and demand decision is clear now? Anybody want me to discuss
Yes.
demand forecasting? Yeah?
No, sir.
Anybody want me to repeat demand forecasting and assumption?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. So now the next thing is graph related questions. So in your material, is it given? Okay. In your material, question number 109. 109, they have given graph related question. Okay. 110, they have given graph related question. Then 115, 117. Okay, so only 4 graph related question. Graph related question. You all can see the material, right? I'm using the same material that you all are using. ICAI material. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So question number, you can just refer to question number See, question number 90 is also graph. Question number 90. The figure below shows just read now question number 90. I'll just wash my hand and go. Students, question number 90. The figure below shows the budget constraint of consumer. We have studied the budget, consumer budget, correct? Consumer budget under consumer behavior. You all remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So question is related to that. Consumer budget. The figure below shows the budget constraint of a consumer with an income of 900 to spend on two commodities, namely ice cream and chocolate. Ice cream and chocolate. So now they have given a graph and then they have given option. The price of these two commodities respectively are 10 and 20, 20 and 10, 10 and 5, any of the above. Okay? Yeah, students. Anybody? Kirtana? Students, are you all looking at the same graph? Question 90.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, Kirtana, can you explain me consumer budget? Okay, Husna. Bharat, Darshan, anybody can explain me concept of consumer budget? Say, no, say, if you say only, I can discuss about this graph, right?
Sir, the products available for the customer to buy in his budget, in the given budget.
Yeah. So the product available. See, there are so many products available. Darshan, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There's so many products available. Okay. So that we cannot say. Within the given income that you said, that was correct. One part is correct. But products available, we don't have to say. What we have to say, see, under consumer behavior, we studied about first part utility, and second part consumer budget, where we studied about budget set and budget line. Okay, so budget line or indifference curve. First, we talk about under utility approach. We had indifference curve. Okay. What did it show? Combination of two products, two or more products. It can be. What did it show? Generally, we are taking always two products, for example. It can be more than two also. Even in the first chapter, when we studied that, some curve we had. Okay, production possibility frontier. Even in that, we studied that two products that economy can produce with given resources and technology. There also we took example of two products. In the indifference curve, combination of two products that gives same level of satisfaction. So two products giving same satisfaction. And then we are studying about budget set or budget line. Budget line. Budget line is graphical representation. Budget set is tabular representation. But what does it show? Combination of two products. Two products. What is budget? Budget is on one side income of the consumer. Another side price of two products. Price of two products. Okay. So budget line is what? It shows combination of two products that consumer can buy with this given income at given prices of the product. So here the product is ice cream and chocolate. Ice cream and chocolate. Ice cream and chocolate. So if you remember, in the budget set, I have given example of pencil and pen. Like pen was 10 rupees and pencil was 5 rupees. So what I showed, that one side I showed quantity of product that they are buying here, and other side I showed chocolate. So both the sides I was showing quantity. Similarly, here they have shown that quantity of ice cream is 90 and quantity of chocolate is 45. Correct? And income is 900. Income is 900. So if you make the table, budget set table, ice cream, and chocolate. So ice cream is 90 and this is 45 and income is 900. So what they are asking us to find out price. They are asking us to find out price. So this 90 is quantity of ice cream and this 45 is quantity of chocolates. So 900 divided by 90. So it will be 10. The price of this is 90 by 900. The price will be 10. Price of ice cream will be 10. And this is 45. So 40 by ulta ID. If I want to calculate price of this, then it will be 900 by 90. So we get rupees 10. The price of ice cream is 10 rupees. And this is 45. We are buying 45 quantity. If I want to calculate this, then 900 rupees divided by 45. So 900 divided by 45. So it is coming to 20. So we have four options. First option is okay.
10 and 20.
10 and 20 to spend on cream, ice cream, and chocolate. The price of two commodities. They are showing. Okay, ice cream they have written down. Students, sorry, ice cream they have written down. So this will be ice cream. Otherwise, we'll get wrong answer. Ice cream they have written down in the graph. I didn't see that. And chocolate they have written top. So price of chocolate is 10 rupees and price of ice cream is 20 rupees. Now option A, Darshan. Option A is what, Darshan?
10 and 20 rupees.
10 and 20 rupees. Option B?
20 and 10.
20 and 10. Option C?
10 and 5.
10 and 5. So tell me, which is the correct answer?
B, sir.
Read the question. In question, what order they have given? They have given that 900 to spend on two commodities, that is ice cream and chocolate. So our order will be this. First, we will see the price of ice cream, and then we will see the price of chocolate. Understand the question? They have said 900 to spend on two products, that is ice cream and chocolate. So first I have to find price of ice cream and then chocolate. So ice cream price is how much?
20.
Okay, 20. And chocolate price is how much?
10, sir.
10. So which option? A, B or C?
B.
B option, sir.
Just check. Just check in the textbook.
Yes, sir, it's B.
So did you understand how to understand the graph using concept?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Anybody who has doubt? See, answer is given in question. So we can just go to answer directly and tick mark. But that will not help us in real exam. So we have to understand the graph. We have to relate options with the concept. We'll automatically get right answer. Okay. See, if I had not followed this order, ice cream and chocolate, if I had not followed this order given in question, then even option A was correct. Because option A and B is same, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. So I was going to tell, okay, it is 10 and it is 20. So option A will be correct. But again, I thought, let me not go wrong because two options are same. So I read the question. Question is telling that first product is ice cream, then the chocolate. So we'll follow that order. So for ice cream 20, and for this, so option B is correct answer. Even if option A and B have same number, but option B is correct because of order given in the question for the product. Okay. So anybody doubt or all clear?
Clear, sir.
Fine. Next question.
Sir, how to do question 88, sir?
Just a second. Okay. And they have given us price 88. They have given price, that is old price is 6 rupees, new price is 4 rupees, and old quantity is 10, new quantity is 15. So first we'll find out elasticity of demand. Okay.
Sir, when they ask find coefficient of price elasticity, which formula should we use, sir?
See, here they have given question is price elasticity demand. So we'll apply the same formula. Now this coefficient is not given in the textbook, but I feel the final answer that we get, that is only coefficient. So we'll check that. If we get same answer, if we get answer, what answer we will get, that will be one of the options. We'll check. First we'll solve it. Okay. Okay, Darshan.
Yes, sir.
So here, price is 6 to 4. So old 6 rupees and new 4 rupees, and quantity 10, 15. So changing price to changing quantity is 15, 10, so 5. Now percentage change in quantity. percentage change in quantity. So change in quantity is 5. And original quantity is 10 to 100. That will be 50%. Now changing price. So changing price is 2. Changing price is 2. And original price is 6 into 100. So 2 by 6 into 100. 33.33. Okay. Now formula is what? It is equal to percentage change in quantity divided by percentage change in price. So 50%. Will be 0.5 and then 33.33%. So 33.33 divided by 100 is 0.3333. So 0.5 divided by 0. So 1.5. 1.5. We are getting 1.5. So then see the option, which option has this, or it doesn't, no option. Do we have
Option
option?
A. Option A.
Option A. So option A is answer. Just check in the answer table.
It's correct.
Check in the answer table now.
Correct, sir. Option A.
Correct. Okay. So coefficient of elasticity of demand is nothing but percentage percentage method price elasticity of demand. Okay. Coefficient in, of elasticity, here they are confused by using new term, coefficient of elasticity of demand. But question is all about price elasticity of demand. So the same thing. Okay. No difference between coefficient and percentage elasticity of demand. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Now, anybody has any other question to ask? Okay. So the next graphical question. The following diagram shows the relationship between price of goods X and quantity demanded of Y. What we infer from the diagram is Okay. Students, now look at next graph. That is 108. Question number 108. So, okay. Next graph is talking like, it's saying that graph is like this, and I told you all, this is nothing but demand. Okay. So here, this is price. This is obviously price, and this is quantity. Okay. So here, what is happening? Price of goods Y. Right. So X product. Here X product. Here X product, and here Y product. So price of, this is showing that price of product X is changing. Product X is changing. And price of product Y is, sorry, demand of Y is changing. So two different products. That is product X and product Y. From the graph, we have to understand that. Here we have two different products, that is X and Y. So obviously it is not price elasticity of demand. It is not price elasticity of demand, because price elasticity of demand, what will happen? One side price, change in price of the same product, other side change in quantity of the same product. So product will be same, one side price will change, other side quantity will change. That is price elasticity. But here it is not that. Here price of X is changing, so demand of Y is changing. So this is not price elasticity. And this is not also income. This is not also income. Because if it was income and quantity, change in income and change in quantity, then here we will write income. Here we will write income. So this is not even price elasticity. You understand that first, what it is not. See, if we know clearly, out of 4 options, we know which is not our option, then MCQ become very easy. Okay. In your MCQ paper, you first, you have to know clearly what are not your options. Not your options. So getting right answer becomes very easy. And here this graph is clearly telling price of X, quantity of Y. So this is not price elasticity of demand. This is not income elasticity of demand. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what is happening? You see that. So suppose here demand is 5, here demand is 10, here 15, here 20. So what is happening? The demand is increasing. Understand?
Yes,
So now
sir.
option is goods and Y, goods X and goods Y are perfect substitutes. Perfect substitute means identical product. So that is not at all our option, because perfect substitute will be starting in perfect competition market that we haven't started now. So option A is not our option. Option is not our option. Because perfect substitute means what? One company is selling this product, another company is also selling this product. Same design, same color, same price. Perfect substitute. No difference between two substitutes in any way. So obviously perfect substitute is not an option. Not an option. What we have now in real life, Pepsi and Coke, they are not perfect substitutes, close substitutes. Honda and Hyundai cars, close substitutes. Redmi and Samsung mobile, close substitutes. Because there is still some difference between the two, right? So next thing is what? Option A is not our option, because it's talking about perfect substitute that we have in chapter competitive market or different types of market. Next, goods Y, X and Y are, what is it? Okay, the option A is talking about complement. Talking about complement and perfect complement. Okay. So here, that becomes goods are remote substitutes. So remote substitute, we haven't studied about remote substitute. We either know perfect substitute under perfect competitive market and close substitute, that is what we have in real life market. Okay, so option C is also not our option. Option C is also not our option. Okay, here now option A, that is little confusing because it is saying that perfect complements. Okay, so complements being perfect is not something. Complements means two products are demanded together like car and petrol, shoes and socks. So they are not perfect complements. They are complements. So what perfect is nothing. So option is not our option. So now what is left out? Option is not our option. Option B is not our option. With perfect substitute, there is nothing like perfect substitute. Okay. Even when we study perfectly competitive market, we'll get to know it is an ideal market. Ideal market means we can just think about it. In real life, it is not possible to operate. So ABC is not our option. Now what is left out? What is left out? Option D, that is close substitute. So we have studied that in close substitute, opposite direction. That price will increase to demand, and we are seeing that demand is increasing. Demand is increasing. Like suppose here we make point. And then join. Make a point. Okay, make a point that changing demand. So what is happening? Demand is increasing. So demand is increasing, and here X and Y. So changing price, like it may be increasing price of one, will increase demand for the other. So it is substitute, close substitute. Okay, like Redmi and Samsung mobiles. Clear, students? 108. Darshan, just see option D. Darshan.
Yes, sir. It's correct. But
Correct,
how do
no?
we know which is remote and which is not, sir?
See, remote substitute, have we studied about remote substitutes? We know about two things, close substitutes and perfect substitutes. There is nothing like remote substitute. Okay? Remote area means what? Remote area means like the outskirt area, village area. Okay? But remote substitute, that we don't know. Have you ever studied? See, under perfectly competitive market, we have studied about perfect substitutes. Have you ever studied about remote substitute, Darshan?
No, sir.
No. So that option that we have never studied, that concept is only not there. So that is not our option. They have just given us to confuse perfect substitute, remote substitute, close substitute. So what is student will think? Okay, substitute. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, I think 109, question number 109 is easy. Okay, students, just see if you all can answer it. The diagram given below shows friends, 109. So this question is about, what is this question about? See, looking at graph only, we can clarify what is this question about. If graph is not clear, then when you read question, you will know which concept it is. Which concept it is?
Sir,
Can anybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
is it option B?
No,
Inferior
first you
goods,
tell me
sir.
the concept. First you tell me which concept it is.
Complement.
Which concept of this chapter? This question is based on which concept? See,
Moment
based
in demand curve.
This is about shift. You remember moment is single graph. Moment is single graph. Upward moment, downward moment. Upward is expansion because of fall in price and contraction due to increase in price. So moment we can show on the single graph, but shift we cannot show in the single graph. Shift is what? Change in demand due to change in other factors. Change in demand comes due to change in other factors. So we have leftward shift and rightward shift. Leftward shift and rightward shift. So for this we make separate graph. We make separate graph. Rightward shift. This may be because of increasing income, or decreasing price of increasing price of substitutes. Increasing price of substitute will lead to leftward shift for its substitute. Increasing price of one product will lead to increased demand for the other. So rightward shift. Opposite, falling income. Right, leftward shift. Decreasing price of one product, decreasing demand for its substitute. So rightward shift, leftward shift. Remember, students? Do you all remember shift?
Yes, sir.
Shift in, yeah. So Darshan, be very clear. Whenever it is right side or left side arrow, then it is not moment. It is not moment because moment will be shown on the same graph. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So this is shift. Now, what options they have given? The change in demand which may be caused by rise in income when the good is normal. A shift of demand curve caused by fall in price of complementary goods. Change in demand which is caused by rise in income in goods. Okay, leftward shift. See here, option A is talking about normal goods. Understand everyone? Normal goods. Option A is talking about normal goods. So in case of normal goods, what will happen? Increase in income will increase demand. Increase in income will increase demand. So option A is talking about change in demand caused by rise in income and the good is normal. So option is talking about normal goods. So if it is normal goods, and our option is also telling that there is increase in income. Option A is talking about increase in income, and good is normal goods. So increase in income will increase demand for normal goods. That will be rightward shift. But here question is leftward. So option A is not correct. Everyone clear or you want me to repeat?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, because if income increases, demand for normal goods will increase. And graph is showing left side means decrease in demand. So option is not our option, not correct. Next, demand curve, falling price of complementary goods. So falling price of complementary goods. If price of petrol will go down, if price of tea will go down, then demand for sugar will increase. So again, falling price of complementary goods will shift towards right. Complementary goods. If price of complementary goods fall, the next option is complementary goods. And thing is falling price. So falling price, then decreasing price of tea will increase demand for sugar. So again, rightward shift. So option B is also not correct. Clear, everyone? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then a shift of demand curve caused by rise in price of substitute goods and other goods. A shift of demand curve caused by rise in price of substitute goods. See, option D is confusing. Option D is talking at same time about substitute goods and normal goods. So both will not apply at the same time. Normal good is part of income of the consumer, and substitute goods is another determinant. So two determinants combined. So option D is wrong. Option D is wrong. Then left out is what? Left out is what? Option C. That is income increases. Option D is what? Option C is showing what? Income increases. So inferior goods, demand for inferior goods decreases. Inferior goods. So we know that when our income will increase, we will demand less of inferior goods. That increase in income will lead to decrease in demand for inferior goods. That is left side shift. So option C. Option C is correct. Darshan, right or wrong?
Yes, sir, right.
So you all are understanding it. See, important thing is what? You have to understand question. How will you understand question? Relate with the concept. Relate with the concept. Okay. Now we saw that first question, that 90, that was related to budget line. Budget line. So you have to understand this question is based on which concept. That is the first thing. For MCQ paper, first you have to understand question is based on which concept. So first question we saw, it was based on budget line. Second question we saw, it was based on price elasticity of demand. Now this question is based on demand shift. So demand shift means change in other factors. So we know that normal goods with increase in income, demand will increase. So that is not our option. Complementary goods, fall in price of complementary will increase demand for the other goods. That is also not our option. So first find out the concept on which question is based, and then you clearly know what are not your options. What are not your options. Okay. So students, clear now? You're understanding, right? Like how to understand the question and get right answer.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now we have only one topic, that is arc elasticity. If you all want me to discuss some more graph question, I can discuss that like in tomorrow, or else like arc elasticity, that is one topic that will finish off. Okay. So just let me know tomorrow if you all want to discuss, or you will try by yourself, and tomorrow I will try to make arc elasticity simple. Okay. Now students, if you all have any other doubt from whatsoever, if you have studied, just let me know. I will write it down and I will clarify next class. Otherwise, next class I will only do arc elasticity. So if you have any question from your side, please give me a question. No questions, students, other than arc elasticity?
The interpretation of numerical values of elasticity of demand is there.
What, Darshan?
Interpretation of numerical values of elasticity of demand.
Okay, interpretation. Fine, I will write it down. This is the time. Interpretations of elasticity of demand, right?
Numerical values of ED.
Okay, numerical values, fine. Darshan, this is easy now, Darshan. We always have 5 interpretations. That is, ED is equal to infinity, that is unlimited. ED is equal to 0, that is inelastic, or greater than 1, less than 1, or unitary. We always have 5 interpretations in every case. Price elasticity, cross elasticity, income elasticity. This is easy, right?
Yes, sir.
We have been doing now. For every problem we discuss now, it is greater than 1, less than 1, and some problem we saw is equal to 1. That is only interpretation of numerical elasticity. Okay. Okay.
Sir, there is a table related to it, sir, in page 2.25.
Fine. We'll continue in the next class. That's clear now, interpretation. Just check if there is something different. Because I know that interpretation of numerical value is according to this 5 degrees only. Greater than 1, less than 1, equal to 1, 0, infinite. Okay?
Sir, there is a table, sir, in 2.25.
Fine, I will check that. Tomorrow we'll do. Now, actually, I have another class to take now. So, which one? You just tell me page number 2.25.
2.5.
Fine. I will look through and tomorrow we'll do it. Okay, now? Bye, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, everyone.